Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make chewy, gooey, delicious brownies from scratch. You guys know that I am not opposed to using a box mix, but there's times where I like to make it from scratch, whether I don't have the box mix in my pantry or I'm just wanting to do a little bit of extra work. So today I'm going to show you exactly how I make mine. I love to warm this up later on and then eat it with some vanilla ice cream. It's perfect. So without further ado, let's get started.